SmartDraw includes quick start templates for all kinds of different diagram types, from flowcharts and org charts to software and IT diagrams. Picking the right template is critical because each one is designed to make it easy to create that particular diagram type. Select New Document here on the left of the dashboard to browse through the various diagram types. Right-click on a template and choose Add Favorite to add it to your list of favorites. You can also search for diagram types up in this search box. When you open a template, you'll see a Smart panel here on the left, customized to that particular diagram. The Smart panel for a flowchart looks different from that of a network diagram, or UML diagram, or org chart, and so on. Instead of choosing one of the hundreds of templates included in SmartDraw, your team can also create custom templates that ensure everyone uses the same symbols and branding when collaborating on complex projects. Just go to the File tab and click on Save As. In the dialog that pops up, select SmartDraw Template from the Document Type dropdown under Save As Type. Give your file a name and choose a location to save it to. Save it to a shared folder to share it with your team. Your diagram will be saved as a template along with any docked libraries. You can find your custom template on the dashboard under Documents by looking for the template icon. Custom templates are denoted with a special template icon in the upper right corner, so you can tell them apart from other saved documents. In addition to custom templates, your team can create and share custom libraries and work with custom themes. To create custom symbol libraries, just click on More in the Symbols section of the Smart panel. This will open the Symbol Libraries dialog. Click on Add New and select Add New Custom Library. In the new dialog window that appears, type the name of your custom library and click OK to save it. If you have a SmartDraw site license, you can share any custom library you create with anyone on your license. When your license allows it, you'll see an optional check mark underneath the name field in this dialog. Check Allow Use by anyone in my organization to share your custom library with your team members. Your custom library will now open in the Smart panel. You can drag and drop your custom symbols to add them to the library. Site license customers can also create custom themes to use your corporate colors or share a common look on all visuals across your team. Just click on Themes under the Home tab, select Manage Custom Themes, and choose Add Custom Theme. Here, you'll be able to choose the fill color, border color, and style to create your team's theme design. Repeat this process for all 6 styles in your custom theme. You can preview your entire theme by clicking Preview Theme. Once you're happy with your style choices, click Save Custom Theme to add it to your license. Now anyone on your license will be able to apply your custom theme by selecting it from the Theme menu.